everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis here, and it's time for part 5 in our 12 ways to use our fall collage masterboard. So today we're going to take this file folder template that I have. It's a die, actually, and I'm going to use it. You can see there are other dies in here, and we're going to make some file folders. It'll be fun, easy. Of course, you can put whatever decoration embellishment you want on it, but this is from Temu. It's really simple to use, and that's what we're going to do with the masterboards. Here are the 3 masterboards that we made. This one by just tearing the sheets, adding some crackle paste on here and a little gesso. This one we added some washi tape. We cut more straight lines. This is crackle paste as well, and gesso on the side with some leaf stencils. And then this one is from Book Pages, using inks and sprays and all that kind of fun stuff with some stickers and just stamping some images on these book pages. So those are fun. I scanned them, and I have the scanned copy here to play with. So we're going to use this one tonight to make, or today, to make a couple of file folders. If we can get 2 out of here. Not sure we can. We could get 2 this way, but it won't be up the right way. So we'll probably just do the one, and then maybe we'll use another one if we want to cut one out. So what I like to do, though, is I like to go ahead and pre-cut the paper before I put it through my Gemini MIDI so that it fits properly in there. These little mini file folders are so fun, and it gives you the actual score line to fold on. So let's see, it just scores right there, and there we go. You can see how cute that looks. All right, so I decided to cut a brown craft paper to go on the inside. That way it's not so white against the fall grungy look. So we're going to glue that on the inside. And I cut it a little bit shorter because I didn't want to interfere with that fold. There we go. Very nice. Now what we want to do is embellish. Now this is a masterboard that is well embellished, and it doesn't really need a lot, but I do like to either add some color around the edges once I work with it, or I can just leave it. It doesn't matter. But I think instead of the brown vintage photo color, I'm going to go with the ground espresso and just make it look more older and, I guess, ground espresso-ish. I like to make up words. All right, so we're going to... Okay, we're going around the edges here. I'm just going to add some in the middle here. You could add more of your paper if you want to on the inside, but you really don't always see the inside of a file folder unless you're going to use it to open and close it and actually like that. But if you want to use it as a file folder as a pocket, then you could seal these sides, and that could be a pocket in your journal. So I'm just going to go around a little bit more, and then that is my folder. So easy to make a file folder, but then if you want to embellish it a little bit, this is just one little cute file folder, and you could just make these. Again, like I said, you could seal the edges and make it into a little pocket to put in your journal. So what a fun thing to put into your journal. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a really fun, really quick project, and this is another way you can use your masterboards. I hope you enjoyed this, and you'll come back for part 6, which will be making an envelope with our masterboard. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.